Welcome to my channel, guys. This is a review of the fotowelt c-08 cob video light. It does have a weird name. It's probably made in China or Korea, who knows, I haven't checked. However, this is a quality light. Quick unboxing for you guys here. Open it up, you get a instruction manual followed by a plethora of different colored filters. They come in a plastic and paper variety. Then you get two magnetic filters, white and orange, a micro USB cable, nothing special there. Take the light out, it is a very quality item made out of metal. Now if you look at it, it is anodized aluminium, CNC machined. The whole body acts as a heatsink. It is very high quality. It is waterproof up to 20 meters, submersible. Now we can have a look around the body of it. You will see there are three mountable holes for 3/8 inch of tripod mounts. It gives you a versatility option of mounting it in different orientations depending on your needs. Now the magnetic filters are great. The USB cap is also great. It has a little O-ring making it more waterproof. I play around with focus manually because I'm using a Panasonic camera. The only real rubbish thing about this thing that I identified straight away is the on and off switch, or the mode operation switch. It is the only way to control the different brightness levels as well as the slow strobe function. Having a look around, I'm still quite impressed with this guy. It is a quality item at £42. I have included the link in the video description for your convenience. If you are so kind enough to click on that, it is an affiliate link. I am trying with these videos and hopefully with time I will get better. Really, the thing I find the most annoying is video editing. These magnetic filters work quite well, even though it just flew away taking it off. You get orange one and a white one. Without these, you will be blinding your subject slash talent, or making your subject, i.e. a object, look overly exposed and or have harsh shadows. This does soften it up a bit. Now we do test it in pitch black. We will go through the different modes. There are 4 different brightness levels, going from 1, 2, 3 and 4, as you'll see by the variations in brightness. It is quite bright, if I'm honest. It doesn't really have lumen measurements. It has these lux measurements, which is 0.3 meters at 2400 lux, 0.5 meters at 1000 lux, and 1 meter at 200 lux. It claims to have about an hour of battery under 100% output, which is mode 4, the brightest. It is quite close to that. I found it to be about 50 minutes. However, that's probably because I had it turning on and off a few times. It claims it will last 12 hours under 25% power, which would be the first brightness setting. Now you get a plethora of different color filters. A lot of these are cut out pieces of paper for some reason. They give you like 15 different pieces of a plain paper. It does look to be quite thin, probably closer to tracing paper. Nevertheless, they've saved you the convenience if you needed to do it anyways. It does come with many other colored filters. These are of the plastic variety, and they should give you a versatile option list in terms of color grading your videos at the time of recording. Now this light is 8 watts and it is 20 meters waterproof, whatever that means. It weighs about 80 grams and the bottom screw hole is a 1/4 inch, or whatever that is. I called it 3/8 inch, but it's probably wrong. Now this is everything that you get inside. It's enough to get you going. I find this to be quite a suitable alternative at £42 for the lumecube or the Litra Torch. It is very good value for money. It gets the job done. The beam angle is very wide. The battery life is decent. The build quality is top notch. there is nothing to really complain about. It is miles above the Ulanzi L1, which I've done a previous video on, which just look through my channel history. I haven't really figured out how to add links to other videos yet. However, as you can see, my camera's struggling away because it's a Panasonic GX8. It's quite old, with the Sigma 18-35 and the Viltrox thingy bob speed booster. It struggles, but hey, I'm trying my best. Hopefully the review material is still decent and you guys can like, comment and subscribe, and I will get better at this with time, especially editing. Thank you very much for watching.